Imagine yourself in a cozy, low-maintenance home that gives you more time and freedom to enjoy life. Sounds wonderful, doesn't it? But you might be wondering, how do I transition from my current home to something smaller without all the stress? Well, that's exactly what we're here to talk about. I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and in this video, I'm going to share some expert tips to help you smoothly sell your current home while buying the perfect smaller one at the same time. Start with a market analysis. Before anything, you need to know what your home is worth. You can always start with online tools to get a rough idea, but the most accurate way is to get a professional home evaluation done. This will help set realistic expectations and make planning for your next move much easier, especially when it comes to finances. Get expert advice from a realtor you trust. Having an experienced real estate agent in your corner is key. Someone who knows the local market can help you not only sell your home, but also find the ideal smaller property that fits your needs. I've helped many clients through this exact process, and it's all about making the experience as seamless as possible. Secure a mortgage pre-approval. Getting pre-approved for your next home is a game changer. It gives you a clear picture of what you can afford and strengthens your position when making offers. You'll be ready to move in quickly when the right time comes along. Consider a sale and rent back option or a bridge loan. If you're concerned about where to live between selling and buying, there are a couple of options. A rent back agreement allows you to sell your home and rent it back temporarily while letting you search for the perfect new space. Alternatively, consider a bridge loan, which provides a short-term financing to cover the gap in between selling your current home and buying your new one. This can give you a financial flexibility to move forward without rushing or dealing with temporary housing arrangements. And negotiate a flexible closing date. One of the best strategies is to avoid the hassle of juggling two mortgages or moving twice is by negotiating a closing date that lines up with your new purchase. A good agent can help make sure the timing works in your favor. Prepare for the unexpected. Let's be honest, selling and buying at the same time can come with a few surprises. It's smart to plan for potential delays or have backup options like temporary housing or storage so you're ready for anything that can come along. And stay organized and focused. There's a lot of paperwork, deadlines, and moving parts to keeping track of when selling and buying a home. But don't worry, staying organized and having a clear timeline makes all the difference. And I'll be there to help you every step of the way, keeping things stress-free and on track. Embarking on the journey to downsize and simplify your life is exciting. If you're thinking about making a move or just have some questions, I'm here to help. Reach out to me at 763-257-7231 or email julie@vikingshomes.com. I'm here to guide you every step of the way so the process feels smooth and stress-free. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips and advice that will help make your next move a success.